Hello, my name is Margit Rastas and I'm a product manager at Emerson. Today I'm going to show you how to configure the Rosemount 3408 wireless level transmitter with AMS Device Configurator. The Rosemount 3408 wireless level transmitter can be configured either via hard modem or wirelessly. In this example, I'll be using the hard modem. To perform the configuration, you will need the Rosemount 3408 wireless level transmitter, AMS Device Configurator, the FDI package, and the hard modem. Once the modem is connected, launch the AMS Device Configurator. If the FDI package is not included in your AMS Device Configurator's device library, you'll need to add it manually. Click the menu button in the top left corner and select Add Device Package. You may see a notification pop up similar to the one shown on the screen. Any FDIs or DDs downloaded from the Emerson Drivers Hub or the Fieldcom Group's website have been tested and verified, so it is safe to click Proceed. Next, click Browse and select the FDI package from your hard drive. Click Add to save it, then press the Return button in the top right. The Rosemount 3408 wireless level transmitter should now appear in your AMS Device Configurator window. Now go ahead and launch the device window. The easiest way to configure the device is by using the guided setup. This allows users to configure key parameters required for basic measurement operation. The wizard walks you through steps such as device identification, dynamic variable mapping, unit selection for the reported measurement, and antenna settings. During this process, you can also select the tank shape, set the reference height, and define range values. At the end, choose whether you're measuring a liquid or a solid product. If volume is one of your dynamic variables, you'll be prompted to configure volume calculation details. After completing the guided setup, it's recommended to run Verify Level to check the accuracy of the transmitter's level reading. If the default update rate of 60 seconds does not meet your needs, you can adjust it in the setup overview. Once complete, your transmitter is ready to join the network. That is how easy it is to configure the Rosemount 3408 wireless level transmitter. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please reach out to your nearest Emerson representative.